Everyone thinks the best-selling metal cutting bandsaw is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Wen 9-inch bandsaw. The Wen 9-inch bandsaw caught my eye with its affordable price of $162.99 and solid features. It's compact yet powerful, perfect if you're looking for a reliable benchtop saw without breaking the bank. If you want a good balance of price and performance, this is worth a serious look. This saw packs a 2.8 amp motor that spins the blade at an impressive 2,500 feet per minute. What does this mean for you? It's fast enough to create cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide, which is ideal for various projects. You can use blades ranging from 1/8 to 3/8 inches, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Plus, it has a spacious 12.25 by 11 3/8 inch work table that bevels up to 45 degrees, so you can tackle angled cuts with ease. The included dust port keeps your workspace tidy, and the 2-year warranty adds peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the limited depth cutting capability. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly cutting smaller materials or doing intricate work, this isn't a deal breaker. It's more than adequate for hobbyists or DIYers who don't need industrial strength. This is perfect for you if you're a casual woodworker or a DIY enthusiast looking for a budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you require heavier-duty performance for larger metal pieces. Overall, you're getting great value for your money here. Now, if the Wen's limited cutting depth bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. Priced at $318.87. This one is all about power and efficiency. If you need a cordless saw that can handle tough applications without the hassle of cords, this is worth a serious look. It features a power state brushless motor that delivers 550 SFPM, making quick work of tough materials. You can get up to 78 cuts on a single charge, which is huge for those big jobs. With a 5-inch cut capacity, you can tackle thicker materials without stress. The cut break feature is also a nice touch, reducing the risk of damage to sensitive materials nearby. If you're frequently cutting metal, this feature alone could save you a lot of headaches. Now, some users mention that it can feel a bit heavy after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, this saw is designed for power, and with that comes weight. If you're using it for long periods, consider taking short breaks to avoid fatigue. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need a powerful, reliable saw for various applications. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or primarily for casual use. It's a solid investment for serious work. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for deeper cuts.
Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw comes in at $330.94 and is designed with portability in mind. If you're looking for something that's easy to handle on the job site, this is worth a serious look. It offers a 5-inch cutting capacity, which is great for deeper cuts. The integrated hang hook allows you to hang the saw without damaging anything, making it super convenient. The LED work light is a game changer for darker environments. It illuminates your workspace for precise cuts. The toolless blade changing lever makes switching out blades a breeze, and the variable speed gives you control over your cuts. This saw is built with a DeWalt brushless motor for durability and performance. Now, some folks have pointed out that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which can be frustrating if you don't already own DeWalt tools. Here's the thing though, for those who already invest in DeWalt products, this is just another addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for contractors or mobile tradespeople who need a reliable, portable saw. Skip this one if you're not already in the DeWalt ecosystem, or if you need a complete setup with battery included. It's a great choice for those who value convenience and power. Now, if portability is your main concern, the next option might be more your style.
Product number 4, Milwaukee's Bandsaw. Milwaukee's Bandsaw is another contender, priced at $292.91. It's designed to be lightweight while still delivering on performance. If you want something that won't weigh you down, this is worth checking out. This bandsaw is over 20% lighter than the original M18 compact bandsaw, making it easier to maneuver. The power state brushless motor, combined with constant power technology, ensures you get fast cuts without the usual fatigue. It's designed for cutting pipe and other materials efficiently, which is perfect if you work in plumbing or HVAC. Some users did mention that it feels a bit unsteady on uneven surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're working on solid, flat surfaces, you won't have any issues. Just be mindful of your workspace. This is perfect for plumbing and HVAC professionals who need precision and portability. Skip this one if your work involves larger, heavier materials. You'll get solid performance in a lightweight package here. Finally, if weight is a critical product number 4, Milwaukee's Bandsaw. Milwaukee's Bandsaw is another contender, priced at $292.91. It's designed to be lightweight while still delivering on performance. If you want something that won't weigh you down, this is worth checking out. This bandsaw is over 20% lighter than the original M18 compact bandsaw, making it easier to maneuver. The Power State brushless motor, combined with constant power technology, ensures you get fast cuts without the usual fatigue. It's designed for cutting pipe and other materials efficiently, which is perfect if you work in plumbing or HVAC. Some users did mention that it feels a bit unsteady on uneven surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're working on solid, flat surfaces, you won't have any issues. Just be mindful of your workspace. This is perfect for plumbing and HVAC professionals who need precision and portability. Skip this one if your work involves larger, heavier materials. You'll get solid performance in a lightweight package here. Finally, if weight is a critical concern, let's look at a more budget-friendly option.
Product number 5, Skill 2.8 amp 9-inch bandsaw. We have the Skill 2.8 amp 9-inch bandsaw, priced at $219. This one is a fantastic choice for woodworking enthusiasts. If you're looking for something that combines quality and affordability, this is worth a serious look. The 2.8 amp induction motor makes cutting through wood materials a breeze. It features a 2-speed drive system that allows for tool-free belt tensioning, which is super user-friendly. The quick blade tension setting helps in making accurate cuts, and the precision ball bearing guides ensure consistent tracking. Plus, the dust port keeps your work area clean, which is always a plus. Now, some users found that it struggles with thicker materials, especially metal. Here's the thing though, it's primarily designed for woodworking, so if you're focusing on metal, this might not be the right fit. But for wood, it shines. This is perfect for hobbyists or DIYers focusing on woodworking projects. Skip this one if you're exclusively working with metal. It's a great value for anyone in the woodworking space.
To recap, we've looked at the Wen 9-inch bandsaw for budget-friendly options, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel for power, the DeWalt 20-volt Max for portability, Milwaukee's lightweight model for maneuverability, and finally, the Skill bandsaw for woodworking enthusiasts. Each of these saws has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your specific needs before making a choice.